Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all of my finished jewelry from the Adornable Elements for May of 2024. The 2-hole Beads of the Month Club Plum Royale and the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club Mossy Knoll. Now, the Beads of the Month Club is from a company called Adornable Elements. I receive 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month and the 2-hole Beads of the Month. You can save 10% if you use my coupon code BNJewelry10 off your order from them. I will leave a link to their code and their website below. Each of these is $22.95 a month for the single ones, and they also have a double one each for $39.95 per month, so you do save a little bit on there. And they also have quite a few other Beads of the Month Club subscriptions to choose from, so definitely check out their website. I will definitely recommend that because they've just got such fun beads to work with. So I wasn't going to do this video because I made a couple things, but it wouldn't be too long of a video. But I just had to show you this necklace that I made using those honeycomb beads. I thought this turned out so cool. I made like a really cool like pendant part of for the necklace by just intertwining these together, and then I put some head pins on some jump rings, and I used my tiny little 11-0 Miyuki seed beads, and then I had these little squared beads that looked like they totally matched here. The color like matched perfectly, and I was like, I don't know, I just started creating this, and before I knew it, I turned it into a pendant. Then I added my seed beads on my jump rings, and I think it just gives a lot more interest to what you create. And then I just did this afterwards, and it looks really cool when it's on. It's got like this, it's just got a really unique look to it when you wear it. So yeah, so I made this one, put this aside. Then I made these really cool earrings. They're just kind of like very different. It's almost like 2 different pendants that were sewn together. And I used my 11-0 Miyuki seed beads and some of my fire polish beads. But I used the gem duos and then some of my fire polish beads there, and just kind of connected them. And that's the back of them. So this was a really fun pair to make as well. And then I made this pair, and I kind of intertwined these little Saturn beads, I think they're called, and then with the fire polish beads, and then these beads, and just kind of, this is the back of it. But I liked the way these turned out. I thought they looked really cool. Let me get this back up there. So I made these, and then I also made them with those same purple beads. I forgot what those were called, but I made them with the dark blue. So this is the back of it, and this is the front. But I love the way I just took the seed beads and I kind of put them over, and then I made the little hoop out of there. And I love the way these turned out. So I have those. And then I made this really cool beaded jewelry set. These are the earrings. I took the gem duos. These are the same gem duos that were for these earrings, and they kind of look like those, you know, the Greek gods, and you see the vines wrapped around their heads. These they kind of have that Grecian look to them. But they're a different color. They're purple. But yeah, so I made this, and then I made this to match it, and then I used some of my really tiny 3mm blue fire polish beads, and then mixed some of my other seed beads with it. And then I put a black lobster clasp on. I've been really getting into the black ear wires and all that. So I feel like, look at how much more put together that looks. So I did use silver for the wire guards, the covers, because I did have some silver in there, so I kind of wanted to connect it like that. So yeah, so I love the way these turned out. So I had a lot of fun with this month's subscriptions. So I did these, and then these. And then this was, like I said, this was so much fun to make. This really was like thinking outside of the box with this. So I hope you enjoyed this finished jewelry video. I know, short but sweet. So thank you, everybody, and stay tuned for my next video. And I hope you have a great day. All of my information is below as well, and I will see you on my next video.